What?
I can't put up with this. You're snoring again.
Oh, come on. It's been the first time in ages. Let it slide.
Can't you put earplugs in when I sleep, so then you won't hear it and it won't be a problem anymore?
No, it's not me that has to change. It's you.
Well, you're not silent at night either.
How would you know?
Well, I'm not always asleep before you.
I never get to sleep, so you're always asleep before me.
Come on, just put some cotton buds in your ear and we'll go back to sleep. I'm sure my snoring won't be that bad. Please?
No, enough is enough. I'm gone.
Well, you're leaving me.
Yeah, I'm gonna find a man that doesn't snore at night.
Where are you going? Don't leave me.
Now you can snore till your heart's content.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, what a lonely place this is now. I miss having a partner to lay next to and hold on to.
This must be the place.
What was that?
I need a place to lay my head at night.
Oh, I miss having someone to snore for.
Oh, who's that? A visitor? A new bed partner?
Hello, come in.
Hi there. I'm your new bed partner.
Yep, you can come in and have a lay down.
I've come to seek a quiet place to sleep. I don't want to be stuck with no snoring loud bastard.
Rest assured, there's no snorers in here, my friend.
What's this?
Oh, don't pay attention to that. Leave that alone. Just come and have a lay down.
This thing may come in handy.
Right, that's your place over there. Just lay down and go to sleep, and I'll do the same.
What's with the cage over there? Is that for these guys or you?
Well, it was used for me once, but it's used for the cats, really.
Okay, make no noises then. Let's go to sleep.
Actually, I just need some milk.
What? No milk. Okay, that messes up people's sinuses. And there was a lady who used to live here, right?
Yeah?
And she said that the milk messed up your sinuses and you snort a lot.
Really?
Yeah, and I won't tolerate that. So no milk.
No, I need some, okay? It helps me go to sleep.
I'll get you for this, I promise.
I'll be alright.
You better be.
This will help me drift right off.
He better not make a sound, I'll be super pissed.
They say it's alright. They say it's alright.
Put that there. Freshen up my armpits in the morning.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. They say it's alright.
I'm feeling sleepy already.
I only want a roommate if he can work for a living and provide me with shelter and food for free and afford me a good night's sleep.
They say it's alright. Say it's alright.
See, everything's gonna be alright. I won't snore. Go right to sleep.
You better not do, you asshole. I need a good night's sleep.
And you'll get one. Don't worry, mate. Just lay your head back and they'll be silent.
You son of a bitch, you lied to me. You're going in a fucking cage. Move your fucking fat ass, you useless barrel of monkey shit. Somehow I'll have to figure out a way to drag him outside. It's gonna be a tall order, though. He's a heavy son of a bitch. He may not be much to look at, but this asshole's heavy as shit. Come on, work with me. You assholes need to get out of here, because he's going in, okay? Time for me to get out of here. Now to close this gate on this son of a bitch. Now I need to electrify that fence. The gate, rather. Hold on. Now I can get some well-earned rest.
You snored while you were sleeping, so I stuck you in there.
What are you doing here? Why did you put me in there? I didn't do anything wrong. Let me out.
No, you're staying in there, and in a minute I'll drag you outside.
Not again! Not again! You fucking wanker, I'll let you in it. Let me out!
Now don't be rude and don't move, you'll only hurt yourself more.
Let me out!
Stop rocking it like that or you'll fucking break it, you dickhead.
Let me out!
Look, you're gonna kill yourself like that. I won't have to lift your dead weight out of here.
You electrified it. How did you even know how to do that?
I bumped into your ex-girlfriend on the way down here and she told me what's what.
Look, I gave you free bed and board. You don't fucking stick me in a cage, I ain't an animal. You're a fucking dog.
Yeah, and I'm supposed to be man's best friend, but it's okay because you're not a man.
Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
Well, that was fucking sensible. I hope you're happy now. You've killed yourself. Oh, great. The smell of the ass of death. I'll have to get rid of it.
We'll fix that odor.
Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Ah, finally, peace. Dogs rule, man. What's rule?
Die in silence, you insufferable asshole! Hey, stop drinking the fucking milk or I'll shove you in there too, bitch.
Have a good time.